Are you looking for the best cordless drill? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cordless drills that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20V MAX Cordless Drill. We discovered that we didn't have to spend a lot of money to get a powerful cordless drill. Few brands have a better reputation for balancing quality and value than BLACK+DECKER, and their 20V MAX Cordless Drill is a great example. After charging the battery, we started with a hole saw bit and drilled 2-inch holes in pine. The BLACK+DECKER provided nearly as much power as the more expensive drills in this lineup, but it didn't have quite as much torque when we exerted a lot of pressure. Not to worry, it's not designed for heavy-duty drilling, it's intended for basic, around-the-house drilling and driving, and it does that exceptionally well. We tried a variety of bits, and the BLACK+DECKER handled all but the largest auger bit. The battery went out around the 25-minute mark, so we paused to recharge. While this drill will not be powerful enough for a professional framer, it has ample power for many jobs around the home and yard, yet the price is among the lowest on the market. Even though the brush motor helps keep the cost down, BLACK+DECKER didn't skimp on features in this lightweight ergonomic drill. An LED work light facilitates jobs in dark corners, and a 1.5 amp-hour battery and a charger complete the kit. Pros: brush motor design. Trigger-activated variable speed included. Built-in LED light. Cons: suitable for use on wood, plastic, or metal only. Number 2. DeWalt 20V MAX Cordless Drill. The DeWalt cordless hammer drill is one of the most versatile and reliable cordless drills on the market. Backed by a world-renowned name like DeWalt, you know the DCD 795D2 20V drill is of the highest quality. This cordless drill is lightweight and great for working in tight spaces. For many home improvement users, they'll find it's the perfect tool for building decks and screwing down decking boards with ease. Things like building heavy-duty shelving in the garage, or just about any other project you can throw at it, this drill is a beast of power. Pros: this drill comes with an impressive 3-year warranty. Lightweight construction. High-speed transmission. Cons: the speed variations leave something to be desired. Number 3. Bosch Power Tools Drill Kit. We were impressed by both the compact size and the bright LED light on the Bosch cordless drill. It delivers a surprising amount of practical power in a remarkably diminutive package. It weighs a little more than 2 pounds and comes with a 3/8-inch chuck. 2 speed ranges provide good versatility for all kinds of drilling and driving tasks. There's also a battery charge indicator light on the side. We tested the drill's drilling power with a paddle bit and regular bits, and it performed flawlessly when drilling in pine. It kept chugging along when we drilled in ash wood, but after drilling dozens of holes in the harder wood, the body of the drill became quite warm. We realized, however, that we were pushing the Bosch drill beyond what it was designed to do. We let it cool down and then tested its driving capabilities. The Bosch kit includes a pair of 2.0 amp-hour batteries, a charger, screwdriver bits, and a carry bag. While mainly designed for DIY users, it will also appeal to contractors, particularly those who often work overhead and who don't need a heavy-duty drill much of the time. Pros: 2 speed settings included. Built-in LED light. Comes with 2 2.0 amp-hour batteries. Cons: some users have reported issues with recharging/removing the batteries. Number 4. Craftsman V20 Cordless Drill. This tool is one of the less expensive options out there but holds its own against tools that cost quite a bit more. The Craftsman V21 half-inch drill/driver did surprisingly well in some of our toughest tests, boring holes up to 5-inch in diameter without issue and offering plenty of control when it came to setting countersunk fasteners to the appropriate depth. It isn't overly heavy and would be a great complement to the occasional DIYers or a homeowner's toolbox. The Craftsman isn't our top recommendation if you are shopping on a budget and looking to use this tool as the foundation for your eventual cordless tool collection. We don't think the library of compatible tools is as popular or readily available as other battery systems, and it's overall much smaller as well. Combined with the fact that you usually only get a single battery, we suggest investing a bit more if you plan to procure more cordless tools in the future. Despite that, we were overall impressed with the performance of the Craftsman given its affordable nature and would readily recommend it if you're planning to buy only a drill. Pros: solid drilling power. Offers plenty of control for setting fasteners. Long-lasting drill. Cons: mediocre battery life test. Number 5. PorterCable 20V Cordless Drill. The high-performance motor of this cordless drill is paired with a 2-speed gearbox and has a lightweight design to eliminate user hand fatigue. It measures less than 8 inches in length. The PorterCable cordless drill reverses screws out of materials smoothly and effortlessly, and the magnet tip on the bit is strong to prevent the screws from falling. The weight and balance of the drill are excellent, especially compared to more upscale, expensive brands in the industry. It doesn't come with a nylon carrying bag to protect the parts and make it more convenient to carry. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.